Hello there everyone, and welcome to our Modern and Edgy full reveal video. So in this release we have lots of beautiful goodies. We have stamp sets, we have some beautiful enamel dots, we have some paper packs, we have standalone dies, standalone stencils, and also some 3D embossing folders to add some beautiful texture to your projects. First up we have the Fresh Bloom. Now in this we have a 6x8 stamp set which has a beautiful bloom in there, as well as a leaf and some other elements too. Now inside we do have the layering guide for that large flower and also the leaf that we have in the stamp set. As well as the stamp set, we also have the coordinating die set available, which is going to cut out all of the beautiful elements from the stamp set. This is a great one if you love your layering florals and adding these to your projects. Next up we have the Inky Lily. Again, this is a layering floral stamp set. In here we have two beautiful lilies as well as some leaves. Inside the packaging we do have the layering guide for both of those beautiful lilies, as well as some more inspiration too. As well as the 6x8 stamp set, we also have a coordinating die set, which is going to cut it around the two florals and also the 3 leaves that you have in there. We also have a coordinating mask stencil, so you can easily add colour to the base layers and also mask them to create some beautiful floral arrangements. Next up we have the Linear Life Daydreams. Now this is a 6x8 stamp set which includes some beautiful people images, which is a first for us. So you can see inside the layering guide we have how you can pop the colour into the relevant places on the images. As well as the 6x8 stamp set, we also have a coordinating die set, which is going to cut out all of the images from the stamp set perfectly. As well as that, we also have a simple colouring stencil, so you can add these colours to the images really quickly and easily. This is a really great one to add to your journals and all of your handmade projects too. Next up we have Woven Stripes. Again, this is a 6x8 stamp set and we have a really large background image in here, as well as some really great sentiments that will work for all different occasions on all of your different handmade cards. As this is geometric in style, it will work for all different projects. Next up we have Modern Hello. Now in this really fun sentiment set we have the word hello as well as some other additional sentiments that you can add around the word to add some really great custom sentiments to your cards and projects. Now this is a 6x8 stamp set and there are lots of different kind of sentiments on here that you can add together to create your own custom ones. Next up we have Modern Alphabet. Now this is a 6x8 stamp set and it includes all of the letters of the alphabet as well as different kind of punctuation marks, so you can add different things to the sentiments that you create on your cards. A great one for creating your own custom sentiments and adding names to projects that you don't usually find elsewhere. Next up we have Doodled triangles. Now this is a 4x6 stamp set. In here we have various different triangles and some really great modern sentiments in this one as well. In the sentiments, they are of a mixed font, so it really adds a different look to your projects. Next up we have Dahlia Blossoms add-on. Now in this we have a little 2x3 stamp set which includes a beautiful flower, leaf and sentiment. As well as that, we also have the coordinating die set, which is going to cut out those beautiful blooms and leaves from the stamp set, so you can add these quickly and easily to your projects. Next up we have a Fancy Hugs die. Now this is a standalone die, so you can add a really beautiful kind of swirly font message to your projects really quickly and easily just by cutting this out of some really different coloured cardstocks. Next up we have a diamond frame cover die. Now this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so that means when this is cut out of some cardstock it will cover the front of an A2 card base. A great way to add a really quick and easy background or frame to your handmade cards. Next up we have a standalone building layering stencil set. This is Meadow, and in here you are going to get 3 different stencils to create some really beautiful and easy backgrounds. Now you can see on the back that we do have a suggested layering guide for this, but you don't need to use it as it says on the back. You can definitely play around with this to kind of create your own custom backgrounds. Next up we have Rose Bouquet. Now this is a 3D embossing folder and it is a 6x6, and you can see that we have a beautiful floral array on here which includes 2 beautiful roses as well as another kind of poppy-like flower as well as some leaves. This is such an easy and great way to add extra dimension to your cards. Next up we have Spoon Daisy. Again, this is a 6x6 3D embossing folder, so you can see that we have the embossing on one side and the debossing on the other to create this really beautiful effect here. A great one to add to all of your different projects and really colour it in with different mediums to create various effects too. Next up we have Rosy. Again, another 6x6 3D embossing folder. In here you can see that we have this really large rose image, so you can add this quickly and easily to all of your cards. You can use it on white cardstock and colour it in, or you could also use it on some really dark cardstock and kind of add some ink over the top for a really quick and easy card. Next up we have Crystal Wall. So this is a 6x6 3D embossing folder, and you can see that we have an all over textured background on this. This is a great one to add to all different occasion cards, and just if you emboss this in white cardstock and add that to a background, it's not going to take anything away from anything that you do pop on the top of it. Next Next up we have Connected. Again, this is a geometric 3D embossing folder that is 6x6, so it is going to cover the front of a 6x6 piece of cardstock. Again, as before, as it's geometric in design, it will work for various different occasions and all different types of handmade projects. We are also adding a 6x6 paper pack to our collection in this release. This is the beautiful Mesmerizing Pause. You will get 24 sheets in this pack. They are all £80 cardstock and 6x6. There are also 2 sheets of each design in here with 12 unique designs, so you can have plenty to play with on all of your projects. Last but not least in this release, we have some new enamel dots. Now we know that you do love your black and white ones, and so we have come out with a pack that just has the essential black and white in there, all the different shapes and sizes, as well as some stars and hearts too. So here is our full release. We really do hope that you've spotted something in here that inspires you and makes you want to create something beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you again really, really soon. Bye-bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.